Welcome to a video by Abron. So this is fluid pressure apparatus. Means if you put the water in this, there is a one cylinder and tubes are there. This has a almost same opening and same tube, but they are placed at different height. Whenever there is a full pressure, you stop it with your fingers and then you put the water in this, and when it is filled up and when you open it, the pressure will be there. This will have the highest pressure, this will have lesser pressure, this will have very little pressure. So lower the pressure, the lower it will fall. This water will fall from here, this water will fall like this, and this will go to the farthest. It depends on the pressure. Higher the pressure, higher is the distance it will travel, the water will travel. So that's a simple experiment, very simple. It's a metal sheet is there, and this water you have to put inside, and then you have to see the experiment. It's very easy. Please visit the website, and our email is appron01@gmail.com and website is appronexports.com. Share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.